the new recipe of prawns dum biryani. With the same recipe, you can make all kinds of biryanis like mutton and chicken biryanis. First of all, boil the prawns with turmeric and salt without water and keep it aside. Now let's take the ingredients. 1½ tablespoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half lemon, salt for taste, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix the ingredients well with the prawns and marinate for 1 hour. Now let's fry the prawns well in coconut oil. Keep the fried prawns aside. In the same oil which we used to fry the prawns, add chopped onions to it and saute it well until it turns golden brown color. Now add green chilies and ginger garlic paste to it and mix it well. Get the aroma of ginger garlic paste and chilies goes off, add salt for taste and saute it well. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala into it and mix it well. Add 2 sliced tomatoes into it and mix it well. When the tomatoes are rotten, add our fried prawns into it and mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes till the masalas are mixed up. Now let's add coriander, mint and curry leaves into it and mix it well. Cook the gravy for 5 to 10 minutes till the oil separates. Now our masala is ready. We'll keep it aside. Now take a pan and fry onions till it turns golden brown. Now add raisins and cashew nuts into the pan and fry it up. Now let's keep it aside. Let's take the masala and add 2 tablespoons of fried onions and mix it well. Tablespoon of yogurt into it and mix it well. Wow! Now the mouth-watering aroma of prawns masala comes out. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Now let's keep it aside. Now we have cooked the basmati rice with all the spices which include 5 to 6 cloves, cardamom, black pepper and cinnamon sticks. Now let's make the dum by first adding half of basmati rice, then add little bit of fried onions, raisins, cashew nuts, mint and coriander leaves. Now spread some ghee on top of it. Now add the masala on top of it. Now add the remaining rice and garnish with fried onions, raisins, cashew nuts, mint, coriander leaves and ghee on top. Now keep the dum for 5 to 10 minutes in low heat. Now our mouth-watering prawns biryani is ready to serve. Mix the masala and rice well and serve it. With this same recipe, you can make all kinds of biryanis like mutton and chicken biryanis. This recipe at home and let us know your feedback in the comment box. It is very good to have it with salads, raitas, chutneys, pickles and papadums.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos, and let us know your feedback in the comment